Good morning, children. How are you? Oh, who are they in my class today? Today we are going to do something new, but I don't know. I cannot stand here. Why I cannot stand? Oh my God. Oh, now I got to know. They are countable and uncountable nouns here. That's why they are not letting Tajinder ma'am stand in the class. So I am going and they will stand and I will tell you something about them. Ready? Okay. So, what are countable nouns, children? So, that child, the statue, that is not a child, it's a statue, I think. No movement is there. The statue who's standing over there, statue is countable noun. So what is countable noun? Countable noun which we can count. Okay. So other statue which is in yellow and white. Oh my God. So that is uncountable noun. So today we will study countable and uncountable. So uncountable nouns which we cannot count. So simply I will tell the difference between countable and uncountable. So countable nouns, children, which we can count, and even so if we will count, so they have their plural forms. Okay, like common nouns. Common nouns are countable, like one tomato and more than one tomatoes. Okay, one bottle, then more than one bottles. Okay, so they have their plural forms. Whereas when we move to uncountable noun, they don't have plural forms. Like you can say water. You can say waters. No, we cannot count water. So it is not having any plural form. So it is uncountable noun. Okay. Now if we move to other difference, that is use of articles. Articles like a and the. We can use before them, like a toothbrush, a bottle. So that which we can count, we can use that. An apple, we can count it, so we will use these articles. All the three articles we can use here, a, an or the. And whereas when we will move to uncountable nouns, then only article the we will use. Only article the we will use, like the milk. The milk is hot. Okay, so now if we move to the third difference, when we move to countable noun, if we take countable noun, there we can use some words like many mangoes, a few friends. I'm having a few friends. Okay, a large number. So these type of words we can use in countable nouns. When we move to uncountable nouns, so then what is the difference? So we can use some words like much, little, a large amount of. A large amount of what? We are talking money. Okay, so this way we can use these words. Okay, but one thing is similar. Like you can see, they both are statues. So this thing is similar now. They are statues. So one thing is common. Difference I told, As you can see the statue, one is short, one is tall. You can see, okay, their colors are also different. So difference I told. Now what is common? What is common? Both are statues. Okay, so here one thing is common in countable and uncountable is, like, we can use some words like some and a lot of, some and a lot of, like some bananas, some milk, a lot of chocolates, a lot of honey. Same way, any before them in any questions. Okay, like, do you have any paper? There isn't any light in my room. So this way, children, this is the difference and similar things about countable and uncountable nouns. And now we will move to the exercises which are on page number 15. So children, please get ready. Hey children, I hope you understood. See, now they have gone. They told me to use us. So that's why. Okay children, I hope you understood. So clear? Now we will move to exercise page number 15. First we will put today's date and then we will solve the first exercise. Before solving it, we will read the heading. Find out if the following nouns are countable or uncountable. So we have to write C for countable and U for uncountable. Television. Yes, tell me children, television can we count? Yes, we can count. So we will write C. Capital C you will write. Okay. Now B. Time can you count? Time is uncountable. So you will write B. Same way oil. Can you count oil? So you cannot count here. So we will write here U. Okay. D. Umbrella. Yes, umbrella can you count? Yes. We will write here what? C. Okay, so this way we will complete rest part of the exercise. Okay, and we will move further. Read the words and write much or many in the boxes. Water. For water, what? Much water or many water? Many we use for countable and much we use for uncountable. So water. Water is what we will write. This is exercise number 2. We will write much for water. Okay, now umbrellas. So we can count. What we will write? Many umbrellas. Okay. So where we cannot count, we will write much. Where we can count, we will write many. So this way, children, you will complete the second exercise as well. So third exercise is only circle the correct option. Okay. So first you will read and properly understand it and then you will circle it. Any option is, other option is many, other option is much. 3 options are there. Any, many or much. Kites are flying in the sky. So any kites are flying in the sky or many kites are flying in the sky or much kites. Kites we can count here, so we can write many. So what we will circle? We will circle many. Clear children? Now I cannot eat this. Any food, many food or much food. Food we cannot count. Okay, so we will circle on much. This way children you will complete this exercise but by reading and understanding without taking any help. All you will do by yourself and after completing this exercise then only you will refer to the assignment section for checking the answers. Okay, now children here exercise 4, the last one which we will do is fill in the blanks choosing the correct words from the box. You may use some words more than once also. So a dash of water, a piece of water, packet of water, grain of water, bottle of water, what? So we can write a tank of water. You have tanks in your houses. So what you will write? A tank of water. So A, and this is exercise number 4. We'll write tank. A tank of water. Okay, B. Dash of bread. Bread. Bread we eat. That is a slice of bread. Okay. So now here a dash of soap. A cake. Not that cake which we cut and eat. A cake of soap. So this way we are going to choose a correct word and we are going to fill it. A dash of juice. A bottle of juice. Clear, children? Rest part you will do by yourself. Okay. After completing the exercise, you will refer to the assignment section for checking your answers. Okay, this is all for today, and this way we have done our countable and uncountable nouns. Okay, chapter number 3. Clear? Any doubt? You can ask me. Okay, children, stay fit and healthy. Bye-bye.